Hi, so if you're on this one, we're doing the puzzle page. If you don't have a puzzle page in your work packet, then you can look at the game page video. So for the puzzle page, we're going to start with our words across, and then we're going to do our words going up and down. So let's start with number one. The first word is podcast. So number one, podcast is over here. We're going to spell out P O D C A S. Remember, if I'm going too fast, you can definitely pause the video. A podcast is kind of like a show that people can record and you can listen to. It's usually someone telling a story or maybe just two people having a conversation about a topic that you might really like. You can listen to it on your phone or on the computer. Number four, celebrate. So number four is over here and we're going to put in celebrate. C-E-L-E-B-R-A-T-E. Celebrate. So celebrate is one of our vocabulary words, and it's when you do something special to for either a person, because of a person or event. So you're celebrating graduation, celebrating a birthday, maybe having a party, eating some nice food, different ways to celebrate. Number five, school. I see five over here. School. So we're going to put S-C-H-O-O-L. School. School is one of our vocabulary words. It's a place that we go to learn. And it's where you guys have been going to. Number eight is seniors. So we're going to have seniors over here. So I have SENIORS. So seniors are, seniors is one of our vocabulary words. They are people who are in their last year of high school or their last year of college. Our next word, number nine, is different. So number nine, we're going to put down here. D-I-F-F-E-R-E-N-T. Different. So one thing that is different, so not the same, about graduation this year is that because of the coronavirus, we're not really allowed to be in large groups. So some people are doing their graduations on the computer, online, maybe doing it over in the summer, finding different ways to celebrate seniors. So we're done with all our words across, and now we're going to go down. The first one is number two for speeches. So I see two over here, and we're going to write speeches. We have S-P-E-E-C-H-E-S. Speeches. So speeches are when it's kind of like someone who spends a little bit of time talking in front of a group of people about a specific topic. Number three is our next one over here. That's another word that we are going to, another vocabulary word, graduate. So number three, we have G-R-A-D-U-A-T-E, graduate. So graduate is when you have completed school and you receive a diploma. So like a certificate that says you're done and you took all the classes you needed to take. Number six going down is caps. So I see six over here, and we're going to put C is already there. Have A, P, and S. Caps. All right. And then we have our last one, seven, which is online. So I see the O here. I'm going to put the N, L, I, N, E, online. this is when we're doing something on the computer using the internet. So such as like what we're doing now, because we can't be with each other in person, we're doing work online.